welcome to the Sincere Lifestyle. My name is Karen and this is part 2 of the Nourish Deep Conditioner Avocado Hair Mask. Now, if you've seen in part 1 of the video, I show you how I make it, and this is part 2 where I show you how you put it into your hair. And this is the end result. It's very soft, manageable, and it leaves the hair shaft with so much strength. So please try it out. Leave your comments down below and stay tuned.
Hit the subscribe button and press like on the video. See you next time.